today's trading action, and that color was definitely green, Vivek.
Well, that's right. The color of the day was green, especially if you're part of the banking pack. It's the second straight session where you're actually seeing quite a bit of a strong up move. Today, you also had a couple of brokerages, especially Macquarie, that went ahead and upgraded quite a few stocks within the banking pack. And even domestic brokerages also went ahead and upgraded quite a few mid-cap banks as well. The back of that, have a look at some of the moves that you're seeing. The City Union Bank up over 6%, DCB Bank up 4%. Both of them saw upgrades. And Kotak Mahindra Bank saw an upgrade today, up over 1%. The next set of stocks, especially these stocks, in the last couple of trading sessions have actually seen moves in the range of 30 to 35%, and very strong moves seen in the entire fertilizer pack. Have a look at names like FACT, RCF, GSFC, Chambal Fertilizers, all of them almost 20% higher in a single trading session. That was today. The other set of stocks that did quite well after a while was the entire metal pack. Now, of course, led by Vedanta, up almost 5%, and even some of the other names, aluminium names like Nalco, Hindalco too, up doing quite well in today's trading session. The next stock on our radar was Bharat Forge. Overall, the auto pack today was under a bit of pressure, but especially in the second half of the trading session, Bharat Forge saw quite a bit of buying activity, the top gainer in the Nifty auto pack. The next stock, of course, was CE Infosystems or Map My India. An initiating coverage note coming in from Goldman Sachs. They forecast very strong earnings growth for this particular name. Stock ended at the upper circuit, in the first couple of hours itself. But on the other hand, one stock that you'll discuss a lot more later on in the show is Sun Pharma. Warning letter for one of the key facilities, stock down by almost 2%. Like I mentioned earlier, the auto and auto ancillary pack today saw quite a bit of selling pressure. This is for the second or third straight session where there has been profit booking at all levels. So names like Hero, M&M, Bosch, TVS, all of these stocks saw quite a bit of selling pressure today. And lastly, PNB Housing, a very large block deal happened in this particular name. What was surprising was that the lock-up period for selling of shares, after the last block deal wasn't yet done. But despite that, you saw another block deal in today's trading session. Stock ended lower by almost 6% today.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Vivek. Well, let's